students, today we will do exercise of chapter 7 urban administration of civics. Okay, so let's start from question number 1. Why did the children go to Yasmin Khala's house? So the answer is the children broke the street light while playing cricket as its replacement was beyond their reach. They were very much upset. They didn't know whom did the street light belong to. They went to Rehana's mother who gave them the knowledge that it is the municipal corporation of the city that takes care of replacing lights. She also told them that Yasmin Khala would be the best person because she has just retired from the municipal corporation. She advised the children to go to Yasmin Khala to get their problem solved. Okay. Now question number 2. List 4 ways in which the work of the municipal corporation affect the life of a city dweller. So the answer is list of 4 ways in which the work of the municipal corporation affect the life of a city dweller. First, cleaning and lightening of street and thoroughfares. Second, supply of safe drinking water. Third, supply of electricity. Fourth, traffic control. Fifth, garbage collection and disposal. Sixth, school, hospital and sanitation facilities. Now, question number 3. Who is a municipal councillor? So, the answer is a municipal councillor is an elected representative of a ward. He is also known as ward councillor. Okay. Now, question number 4. What did Gangabai do and why? So, the answer is Gangabai collected a large number of women and went to the municipal commissioner along with the ward councillor to protest against garbage dumps all over the street. Okay. Now question number 5. How does the municipal corporation earn the money to do its work? So the answer is the municipal corporation is one of the most important organ of the three-tier government system. It is responsible for the all around development of its designated area. It undertakes all the public facilities and welfare works like sanitation, water, road, education, health, etc. As these works require funds, so it collects revenue from the residents living in its corporation area. It levies taxes on property, water and other services. Taxes are fixed on the measurement and consumption of the services. Taxes are levied on education and other amenities like owning a hotel, internet, entertainment, etc. Now question number 6. Discuss in the two photographs. यहाँ two photographs दी हुई है, एक ये है, ठीक है, और second ये दिया हुआ है. Okay. In the two photographs, you see different ways of collecting and disposing of garbage. Collecting garbage का दिखाया गया है इसमें और disposing है ना. तो देखें which way do you think provide safety to the person disposing of garbage? Second, what are the danger of collecting garbage in the manner shown in the first photograph? Third, why do you think that proper ways of disposing of garbage are not available to those who work in municipalities? So the answer is first number ka answer. The way is shown in photo 2 provides safety to the person disposing of garbage. Answer number 2. Collecting garbage in the manner shown in photo 1 is full of dangers. Children are so close to open garbage that they may fall sick or they may develop symptoms of some deadly disease in the long run. There may be pieces of broken glasses. While collecting garbage in this manner, their fingers may get injured. We see two stray cows around the garbage searching some eatables. These cows may attack these boys, which may take their lives. Thus, there is no safety at all in this way. Answer number 3. The proper way of disposing of garbage are not available to those who work in municipalities because firstly the government has not done proper arrangements for this as yet. It has provided trucks no doubt, but their number is not sufficient. Secondly, the workers working in the municipalities are generally less aware of health and hygiene. They do not bother whether garbage is being disposed of properly or not. Thirdly, the economic condition of the municipalities is not good. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, ये बहुत बड़ा दिया हुआ है, ये आप पढ़ेंगे. ओके, इसका आंसर मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. आई थिंक इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट corporation should spend more money on slum localities because slum dwellers are also a part of our society. They need education, sanitation, rehabilitation and other facilities as the common people avail. They are also human beings. They lack even basic amenities of life, which cause the spread of many diseases among them. They are the citizens of our country. So in order to achieve our constitutional ideals, the municipal corporation should provide the poor in the city with the same facilities that the rich get. Okay, तो यहाँ आपका चैप्टर 7 कंप्लीट. राइट इन योर फेयर कॉपी.